What the fuck, Astro?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I laid my lace closure down and how I got those really pretty curls. So right here, I'm just kind of figuring out which part I wanted to do. So I decided to go with the middle part, and this is one more hair. I believe I've had this wig for about a year and I haven't worn it in a while, so I was just like, you know what, let me go in and decide to wear it. So now I'm just detangling my hair out so I can prep it before I lay my wig down. Now I'm just taking my baby hair brush and separating the baby hairs out of the way from the rest of the hair, and then I'm just pulling the wig back so I can go ahead and put my product down to lay the wig. So guys, for my glueless method, I use SPRITZ because it's the quickest, the easiest, and it holds like no other. I can go days with using just SPRITZ, but because I like to take my wigs off, it's more convenient for me to use the SPRITZ than like gelling them down. So basically I just sprayed that across the perimeter of my wig cap and my hairline, and I'm blow drying it to make it get tacky on a cool setting. So I don't like to use hot heat, it doesn't really matter, but I prefer to use cold air. So once I feel like it is tacky enough for me to lay down, I basically just pull my wig forward and I place it, pushing it down with a rat tail comb just to make sure everything's stuck and in place. And I like to just go in and just kind of wiggle the tail back and forth just to make sure it's really pressed down into that product. Alright, so moving on to styling the wig, I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm pushing the hair back away from my face just to give me a little bit more volume on the base, as well as to help me lay my baby hairs so like none of the hair gets in the way of when I'm trying to do that. So now I'm just taking a little bit of mousse. This also helps me disguise the lace and holds it as well, because I don't know, something with the mousse and the spritz together, it just kind of works to give me a really nice hold. But now I'm just going in and I'm laying my baby hairs. I will eventually do a video on how I make my lace closures look like frontals. I just haven't bought any hair recently, so yeah. Now moving on to the styling, I just take my wand and I'm taking just like random pieces and I start wand curling them. I call this like the lazy girl curl because basically it looks like you have like next day curls versus, you know, the fresh set. I do like the way the fresh set looks, but for some reason I also like the way the messy looks too. So I'm just going in and piecing out sections and wand curling them. Also, I do want to make sure you know to curl away from your face to give you more face framing volume as well. So basically what I've done on the other side, I'm going to do to this side as well. I'm not going to show you the entire steps because you pretty much know, everybody should know how to wand curl. If not, I can do a whole nother video on that. But now I'm just taking a little bit of my Got To Be Freeze spray and I'm getting all those flyaways up at the top. And I just like to take the wand curl again after I've curled everything and just kind of push that hair back at the base again. So once I've finished with all that, I did go in and kind of brush the curls out a little, but this is the finished look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this little quick show and tell of how I lay my wigs down and get these really pretty, like, loose, lazy curls. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.